almost finished with their schoolwork for today, so we're gonna make some gingerbread houses, but we're gonna make them a little different this year. We thought we'd make them out of a little DIY version, so we'll show you what we're doing.
Instead of gingerbread, we're gonna make out of Pop-Tarts instead.
Pop-Tarts are so yummy because they're so yummy, and I tell like so yummy. And this is my sister.
On pits, next banana on pits. Next. Got that? Next. Now what Pop-Tarts we have? We have s'mores, chocolate, blueberry, and strawberry.
So normally we get the gingerbread house kits, which are pretty expensive and don't usually hold up very well. And we don't eat them anyway. So we went to our discount grocery store and bought 1,000,000 boxes of Pop-Tarts, and we're gonna try to make them out of Pop-Tarts this year. Only I forgot icing. So we gotta make our icing first, and then we're gonna build our gingerbread house.
And we made icing with our cookies, but we ran out. We made, instead of sticky frosting, we made soft frosting. Yeah, we need to make sticky frosting, like glue.
We could just use glue.
What?
So what do you guys think? Do you think this is better than getting the kits, or do you like the kits better?
I like the kits better.
You like the kits better? I think this is pretty fun. Explain the crushed up.
I actually made a different. The crushed up Pop-Tarts are actually dirt, and we put little people on the dirt.
Oh, so it's a farm.
To think like they're playing in the mud pit.
I love it.
It's like a mud river.
I think it's fun. I'm glad we did it.
And I made some ones. I made this one.
Every good farm needs some
I'm
ones.
gonna taste that.
Okay, stop eating the gingerbread house decor. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. It means a lot to us that you stopped by to watch. I hope that you all are having a very Merry Christmas season, and leave us a comment about some of your favorite things to do, some of your favorite Christmas traditions. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you on the next video.
Good